guys, it's Gwyneth. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing this Smoky liner eyeshadow tutorial. So if you'd like to see how I completed this look, then please keep on watching. So to create that sharp wing look, we're going to be putting tape on our eyes. And to prime my lids, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Stage Essence eyeshadow primer. And I did do my own eyelash extensions, just in case you guys are wondering why I'm already running lashes. To set that, I'm going to be using this Rimmel London Stay Matte Translucent Powder. So for today's look, we're going to be using this Jaclyn eyeshadow palette. I'm taking the shade Pookie to start off my smoky liner look. And then I'm going to be taking Silk Cream just to blend that out a bit. And then I'm going to be taking the shade Roxanne, and I'm going to place that closer to my lash line, and I'm not going to have it as high as the Pookie color that we just placed previously. I'm using this e.l.f. detail crease brush just to blend it out a bit more. And then I'm going to be adding more Pookie just to make it more prominent. And then I'm going to be taking this black shade called Abyss, and I'm going to line my wing and make sure that it's smoked out and blended out. I'm going to be taking Roxanne again to blend it out even further, and I'm also going to be taking Pookie again. And just let you guys know, I know I promised a giveaway in my last video, but I'm going to have to postpone it to my next one, so I'm sorry, just look out for that one, okay? Now I'm just taking off the tape, and then we're going to move on to our foundation. I'm going to prime with the Dr. Brandt Pores No More and apply it wherever I have any large pores. And of course, today's foundation is the Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and I'm just using a beauty blender to blend that all out. To conceal, I'm using this sharp, what I keep saying sharp, tarte shape tape in the shade Light Medium. To set that, I'm using the same Stay Matte powder wherever I concealed. And I'm going to be using this MAC Studio Fix foundation powder in the shade NC40 and placing it wherever I didn't put that translucent powder. I'm going to be applying this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and Bronzer, and guys, I bought a new one. So I'm going to just be placing that on my cheeks, and I'm also going to be using that to contour my nose. I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. Contour and Blush Duo in the shade St. Lucia. I'm just taking the bronzer shade to add more bronzy shimmer to my face. And then I'm using this Mary Luminizer from the Balm as my highlight today. I'm taking this dark orangey shade from the NYX Sweet Cheeks blush palette, and I'm not sure if I like it. And then I'm just using my foundation powder to clean up my contour. I'm going to be taking this Urban Decay Glide On pencil in the shade Perversion to tighten my eyes, and then I'm going to be taking the same black Abyss shade just to smoke it out, and I'm also going to be taking Roxanne to smoke it out even further. Moving on to my lips, I'm going to be using this NYX lip liner in the shade Sandstorm to outline my lips. And then I'm taking this Ashton liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills as my first lipstick color. And then over top, I'm using this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. Don't really like the lip creams, but it's great for a second color. To set my face, I'm using this Milani Make It Last setting spray. Wasn't sure how to use it. You have to like spray it in a zigzag motion. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and enter my giveaway next week, and I'll see you guys in my next video.